Exactly a year ago, on this particular day, I had the unenvious position of having to call President Ramaphosa and say, President, this is the call I'd hoped never to make to you to report that we've now got our first COVID-19 case.
Ungqongqoshe uthi lolu kwaba usuku olumatasa kakhulu ngonyaka odlule ngemva kokuthi etshelwe ukuthi sekunomuntu wokuqala otheleleke ngeCovid-19 kuleli njengoba kwakunokuthuka ngenxa yokungazi ukuthi lesi sifo sisebenza kanjani.
The person that had been diagnosed positive was coming from my city, home city, Pietermaritzburg, and there was a lot of panic because the school sent a WhatsApp group to the parents to say, please hold your children from coming to school. And so we had to run around to talk to the school. So we went and visited the school. So much of anxiety, and all of us were very uncertain as to what we're facing.
Udokotela Umkhize uthi izwe selikwazile ukubambisana ekulweni neCovid-19 kepha usemningi umsebenzi okufanele wenziwe.
I think South Africans have gone through a very, very heavy battle, but they've actually come out much stronger. And I think that we've really got a positive ending to a very typical outcome. Of course, it's not the end, but I'm just saying that the end of this year has been something which has left us with hope and with ability to face the challenges that will be coming our way in the future.
Ungqongqoshe uthi maduze elakuleli lizobe seligome izisebenzi zezempilo eziyizinkulungwane ezilikhulu bese kuqala uhlelo lokugoma abanye abantu abenza imisebenzi yemqoka.
This morning we have as of last night we have over 90,000 health workers, so we'll soon in a day or so be completing the first milestone, which will be 100,000 health workers vaccinated. And from that time on, we do expect that we're going to be moving up, and within the next few weeks, more doses will be coming through.
Umkhize uthi uhulumeni awuzange wenze iphutha ngokuthenga umgomo weAstraZeneca.
If it's unexpected in science, it cannot be our mistake, and I think that's important. The next issue was that we then decided that whilst our scientists are discussing on this matter, the vaccines should then be used by other countries that have got a possibility to use them, and so we offered them to the African Union platform. Our negotiations are complete that they will buy the vaccines, they will buy them at a cost, and they will buy the 1 million vaccines, and therefore that 1 million vaccines we will actually get the money recovered for that, so there is no loss.
Ungqongqoshe uphinde wedlulisa amazwi enduduzo emindenini yabo bonke abantu asebedlule emhlabeni ngenxa yalesi sifo njengoba sebengaphezulu kwe-150,000.